When we think of investments, mutual funds often come to mind. But did you know there's an entire world beyond mutual funds that lets you invest in real assets without actually owning physical property or managing infrastructure projects? Welcome to the world of REITs and InvITs, two powerful investment options that offer stable income, growth potential, and diversification. Let's start with REITs, real estate investment trusts. Imagine a mutual fund, but instead of pooling money to buy stocks, it invests in income-generating properties. Think office spaces, shopping malls, hotels, and business parks. As an investor, you're buying units in this trust, much like buying shares in a company. The beauty of REITs is that they're legally required to invest at least 80% of their funds in completed revenue-generating properties, ensuring that your money isn't tied up in speculative projects. And what's more, they must distribute 90% of their net distributable cash flow as regular payouts. This means you earn from the rental income collected from these properties, providing a steady stream of income, much like dividends from stocks. Now shifting gears to InvITs, infrastructure investment trusts. Think highways, power grid, bridges, and telecom towers. These are large-scale projects that generate revenue through tolls, user fees, or long-term service contracts. InvITs allow you to invest in these infrastructure assets without the hassle of managing them. Just like REITs, InvITs are also required to invest 80% of their funds in completed income-generating projects and distribute 90% of their NDCF. Your returns come from the regular payouts, interest, dividends, or debt repayments, plus any potential appreciation in prices. So how do you benefit as an investor? Regular income. Both REITs and InvITs offer consistent payouts, making them attractive for income-seeking investors. Diversification. While mutual funds diversify across stocks and bonds, REITs and InvITs diversify your portfolio into real estate and infrastructure, reducing overall risk. Liquidity. Unlike owning a property or infrastructure asset directly, REITs and InvITs are listed on stock exchanges, meaning you can buy or sell units anytime, just like shares. Professional management. Both are managed by experts who handle asset management, operations, and compliance, so you can sit back and watch your investments grow. In India, you have some exciting options. Under REITs, there are Nexus Select Trust, Embassy Office Parks, Mindspace Business Parks, and Brookfield India REIT. Under InvITs, there's India Grid Trust, Power Grid InvIT, IRB InvIT Fund, Bharat Highways InvIT, etc., with Bharat Highways being the newest entrant listed in March 2024. When evaluating REITs and InvITs, focus on the following key metrics. Portfolio diversification. Are the properties or projects spread across regions? Financial health. Check revenue, profit trends, and debt ratios. Distributions. Look for consistent growing payouts. And lastly, valuations. Compare the market price to the net asset value to see if it's trading at a premium or discount. In conclusion, if you're looking to diversify beyond traditional mutual funds, REITs and InvITs are worth exploring. They offer the potential for steady income, growth, and real asset exposure, all while being easy to invest in and manage.